You want to walk a mile in my shoes? It's a beautiful morning in Chicago. It's one of those last days of autumn when you can tell that the air is going to start to get really cold really soon in just a matter of days. So today, I'm going to take a walk along the lake. I'm going to walk 1 mile. I'm going to take you with me, and we're just going to see what there is to see. We shall see what we see. I'm only going to walk 1 mile, and the reason for that is because there's all kinds of things to see and I really want to take my time. And I'm lazy. I might make a few detours here and there, we'll see. I've come down to the Lakeview neighborhood, not for any particular reason, but just because there's usually a lot to see and it's really nice. I used to live in the area. There's plenty to see, plenty to do, lots of restaurants, lots of scenery. It does get a little congested. It tends to be an expensive area to live in. Walking along the lakefront is free. Behind me is the famous theater on the lake. Every summer they have a theater festival where you can come and see shows and all kinds of neat new plays from people in Chicago. They also have a restaurant that offers stunning views of the city and the lakefront. They also have a facility where you can hire them out for weddings, animal sacrifices. One of those is a joke. One of the very cool things about walking along the lakefront is that they have specific lanes for pedestrians and specific lanes for bikes and rollerbladers and joggers and things like that. So you're not going to get hit by anything. Just watch out for the goose poop. Lakeshore Drive goes right along the lakefront, hence the name. And when you're driving along, you can see all kinds of little statues and sculptures and things like that. But it's so nice to get off the road and actually come and take a look. See it up close. Another statue, hooray! Getting to the lakefront is easy. Just go under one of the bridges. It's pretty, it's well lit, and they're safe. I can see my house from here, which is a lie. There's just something about walking along the lakefront this early in the morning. Despite all the noise and the traffic, and there can be a little bit of congestion sometimes, it's just kind of peaceful. But we're almost done. This is almost a mile. So there we are, 1 mile walking down the lakefront in Chicago. Do you have a favorite part of the lakeshore that you like to walk along? Comment down below, let me know. It's definitely well worth doing.